Y'all, I just wanted to record a little short video for you guys today. I showed this in that one video, walk around the beauty supply with me down the polish aisle, whatever, and I had showed these very quickly. And so yesterday I went back to pick up a couple because I want to try them. It's the Mr. Pumice Ultimate Foot like pumice stone, and it is extra coarse and medium. And as you can see here, it says extra coarse is purple and the medium side is lavender. So you can see here's the dark purple, here's the lavender side. It's a 2-in-1. Says for beautiful healthy feet, great for hands and elbows too. So I got one for my feet, one to use on my hands when I get ready to do another like hand and nail scrub. I want to try this bar as well. But I hear that it's supposed to work really well. So I can't wait to try this. So when I do, you guys will obviously see that video. But yes, it's the Pumice Bar Ultimate. I don't know if I'm saying that right, if it's Pumice or Pumice. But it's also antibacterial solution, safe, and it says it's the finest quality. So I can't wait to try it. I've never tried a pumice stone like type bar before. I've always used like, you know, the one that comes with the brush and the pumice stone is on the other side. So pretty excited to try them. I think they were like $2.50, somewhere around there at my local beauty supply.